Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to contour my face for the first time and use bronzer because I've never used bronzer. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using this palette here, the BH Studio Pro palette for contouring, and we're just going to dive into this. I think I'm not going to go too crazy, and I'll go literally right in the middle with this color here. Alrighty guys. See if I can do my nose. Alright, so far we have these lines, these lines, these lines, and now I'm going to attempt my nose. I am not good at this nose contouring thing. Okay, now put some concealer on. Alright, concealer on. I'm gonna go in with my blender. Alright, concealer all blended out. Now I'm just gonna set it a little bit real quick under my eye. And just add a little more down through here. Alright, now we're gonna blend the contour. Just gonna blending it like downwards into my jawline and under my chin. And then forehead. Bring this up into my hairline. Dust the excess powder away. Alright, now let's try bronzer for the first time. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my forehead. And just a little bit here. Alright, I am bronzed. Oh, that's horrible. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Fantastic Plastic Pink Blush. I just bought this today. It is like so pink and so sparkly. I'm so excited for this. Alright, so I'm just going to take my blush brush. that's what that looks like. It's very, very pink. I really like it. Just trying to blend this in a tiny bit more. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in with this Hello Halo liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, and it's in Holographic. I just bought this today to try for the first time. That's the applicator. Very pretty. Blend out the other side. Alright, so that's the highlight. Alright guys, I was just finishing up my eyes real quick. I'm just gonna go into my lips. Alright guys, so this is the final look. All contoured and everything. So this little palette, the contouring palette, I really like it. It was really easy to contour with, I think anyways. I think it doesn't look bad. I think it looks pretty good for doing my whole face for the first time ever. And there's a bunch of options, which is cool. Like, you can literally be a very wide range of skin tones for this palette, which is cool. And then this bronzer, I really like it. It's pretty nice looking. I don't know if you can see that, but it's from Wet n Wild, and it's called Ticket to Brazil. It's smooth, like it blends out really nice, which is awesome. And then this liquid highlight from Wet n Wild, the Hello Halo. This stuff is like super pretty, and it also blends out really nice. So I approve. And then this blush is so pretty. It is so pink. I can't even deal. Like, literally perfect. I love it. I love super, super pink blush. And then this is my first time using this Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and it blends out really nice and it looks really pretty, and it's in light ivory. So first time using those products, and I really liked them, and I think they look really pretty and all that good stuff. And yeah, so you guys should totally try them and see if you like them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, have a good night.